Hi everyone, in this short video, we are going to see how Cybera can continue to onboard AWS organization with IAM Identity Center, even if delegation is enabled. So here I'm going to my AWS organization. So here you can see I got like couple of different AWS account. I have two different OUs. So this is what my management account is. This is what my delegated account. So what I'll do, go to my IAM Identity Center. In my IAM Identity Center, so you will be able to see I have already registered one of the account as my delegation. So here you see my delegated administrator. I have registered this delegated account. So what we will do, this is what my account is, 333-2309-0492. I'll go to my another browser tab. So here you see, so I have login into my this account, and this is what my delegated account is. So here I can go to my AWS account. So I can manage pretty much anything. I can create a permission set. So here what we will do as an example. So I'll create a permission set for a read only access. I'll click next. Great. It's all done. So whenever whatever action I perform here, so behind the scenes, AWS, they are calling upon AWS IDC APIs sitting on the management account. So that's how everything is being executed. For this particular demonstration, what we will do, we'll go to the Cybera Cloud Visibility and we will try to onboard my AWS organization. So what I will do, I'll click on add workspace, onboard a new organization. Then we have to fill in couple of parameters. For this particular case, so what we have to do, we have to provide the management account ID. So what I will do, I'll go here, I'll provide my management account ID. Then we have to provide the root ID. So I go to my AWS organization, then we'll get that unique root ID. I'll copy, I paste it here. So then it is talking about the organization name. I'm just saying management account with delegation. So here in the deployment region, it is asking. So here in my case, I'm just keeping US East 1. This organization use AWS IAM Identity Center. So if I go to my AWS IAM Identity Center, so we can see the region name as well. In this case, the region is US East 1. So I'll enable US East 1. So after that, what we have to do, we have to deploy this cloud formation stack. So what I'll do, I'll simply click on this cloud formation stack. Then it will open up another window, and then we will continue. So it takes a couple of seconds. Yes. So I can see this is what my stack is. So it's going to fill up all this information automatically. And it is going to provide some sort of a short-lived token. What I do, I will acknowledge. Then we will create a stack. So it takes a couple of seconds for the stack to get created. So what I'll do, I'll pause this video and then we will come back. So it took a couple of seconds for this entire deployment to go through. So behind the scenes, if you see here, there are two stack sets got deployed. If I go to the stack sets, let's refresh. So one of the stack set is for for the visibility, another stack is for secure cloud access. So both of these stack sets are going to get deployed. So once everything is done here, so I'll click on Start Discovery. So it looks all good. I'll click on Connect button. So it's all done successfully. What we will do, we will go to the secure cloud access. So we'll create a Works web app. So here we are trying to deploy it, AWS organization with IAM Identity Center. I'll click on Next. Then it takes a couple of seconds for the cloud onboarding app to appear here. So this is what we onboarded, management account with delegation. So here we are not using CyberArk identity as IDP. In my case, I'm using Entra ID as my IDP. So I'll click on create button. So it takes a couple of seconds. So now the web app has been created successfully. What we will do, we'll try to create a policy for one of the user. So here, if I go back to my AWS, in AWS, so I have one user exist. I go to IAM Identity Center. So here, if I go to the user, so this user already exists here. So this user is coming from my Entra ID. So I'm doing a skim provisioning. So what we will do, we'll create a policy here. I'll say delegation testing policy. Click on next. So here, let's create a policy for the prod account. So here we have like a couple of permission set. For this case, I want to provide an access of a database administrator and read-only access, for example. Click on select next. So here we're going to search with the user one. So this is what my user one is. So click on add policy. So I want to say, hey, let's allow for all the 7 days. And I'm going to click on activate policy. So it takes a couple of seconds for the policy validation to go through. So now I can see the policy validation went through.